How to set up navigation bar on Shopify. Hello, all of you e-commerce store workers out there. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can actually set up a navigation bar for yourself on Shopify. So to do this, it's pretty simple. What you're going to want to do is you're going to come over to your online store section and to add or remove something, we're going to go to navigation over here because obviously we're working with our navigation tab. And we're going to go over to main menu. Obviously, you can change the navigations in your footer if you want to, but I'm going to keep it on the main menu for now. And we have these right now: home, product, support, contact, about us. So let me show you what this looks like in the store view. So this is how it looks. Let's add an addition to this. So let's say you want to add something. I'm going to click on add menu item. And let's say I want to let's add a random catalog page, okay? So you can go into products, and if you have certain products, you can add any type of product page over here. So let's say I'm going to add the all products page. Okay, here's the all products page. And let's say I want to remove the contact page, so I can remove that as well. And let's say I want to position this right after my product page. Once we do that, we're going to click on save menu. And once this is done, you're simply going to come over to your online store, and I'm going to show you the changes that have been made. Okay, make sure to save everything, and obviously you're going to give it time to load in. And once you do that, there you can see I removed my contact page. And once you remove your contact page, again, as I said, give it time to load in. Now, there we go. Home, product, all product support, and about us. So that is how you can set up your navigation bar. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.